Lesson 1.6 of your grammar book is titled Kinds of Sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: a declarative sentence, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. A declarative sentence simply makes a statement. It ends with a period. He likes pepperoni pizza, the umbrella is green, Mrs. Lee is a teacher. They're just declaring something, and they always end with a period. Interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. Do you like pepperoni pizza? Have you seen my umbrella? Think of being interrogated. You're being asked question after question. An interrogative sentence asks a question. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation point. Hooray, wow, that's great news. It always ends with an exclamation point. It shows strong feeling. And the last one is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command. This can be tricky. It ends with a period or an exclamation point, depending on how it's being said. However, when you're reading, you're not going to know how it's said. That's why we have to pay attention to punctuation. So you could say, go to your room, or you could say, go to your room, and that would end with an exclamation point. Same thing with throw me the ball. It's a command, but how you're going to say it will determine what type of punctuation is needed. And then please close the door. Probably generally end with a period. So those are commands. You're telling someone to do something. Here's a quick review, just a chart for you, which is in your book. Again, a declarative sentence just makes a statement, ends with a period. Interrogative asks a question, ends with a question mark. Imperative tells or commands someone to do something, ends with either a period or an exclamation point. An exclamatory shows strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. So I have a short quiz for you. Instead of writing down sentences this time, you're going to take a quiz. You're going to want to pause the video as you write down the answers. It's a multiple choice quiz. You just need to write down A, B, C, or D. There are 10 questions, and then we will go over them in class tomorrow. So take the following multiple choice quiz. You may go back and use your notes. Just make sure you write down your answers under your notes on the paper. So here are the first 5. I'm not going to read them all to you. I did not put punctuation at the end. You need to fill in what type of sentence it is, and then the next 5. So be sure to pause in between, and we'll go over the answers tomorrow. Have a great night.